Manila. We are flying to Manila. It's already 1:30 in the morning. And andito ako sa NAIA Terminal 3. Later, we'll be flying to Seoul. Yay, for a vacation. Pero mamaya pang 6 ng gabi na kumuha na ako ng flight on the same day, early morning flight, the same thing that I used to do. That is comfortable ako in my own bed. So yeah, here we are. Tulog muna tayo. Simula rin.
This is your final.
My third ice cream cup.
Request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and cabin crew.
I just landed at Incheon Airport. Annyeonghaseyo, Korea. So we have arrived at Incheon Airport. It's already 12 midnight. 1 hour ang difference ng Korea at Philippines. 1 hour ahead ang Korea. So 11 p.m. sa Pilipinas ngayon. So it's -3 outside. And ang dala ko lang is a long sleeves jacket. And good luck sa akin! Maganda dito sa Incheon Airport. Free Wi-Fi. So lahat ng pwede mong i-research before ka lumabas, i-research mo na. So there's bus tickets over here. Kasi maganda yung bus system dito sa Korea. I need to get my SIM card. I book a SIM card sa Klook. I need to get it out. Shit. From here, aside from bus, pwede rin mag-KTX. Which is yung subway naman. Medyo mahal siya, pricey. But, yeah, if nagmamadali ka, you could use that as well. So, yeah. There's the Airport Railroad. I didn't book an accommodation for tonight kasi ang plan ko is to stay here and wait for the morning. Kasi pupunta tayo ng Busan later. I will get a bus to Busan at around 5 a.m. So, inisip ko, wag na lang. Oh, I could see some areas. Pwede tayo mag-stay dyan later. Or let's see. Kasi parang occupied na. Maraming charging stations. Maraming charging stations here. Kaya tumatambay yung mga tao dito. Which is really good. Kasi if you need power, meron. So, oh gosh. In fairness, ang ganda ng airport. But that's fake. I booked a SIM for 10 days, unlimited data only. May kasama siyang T-Money. It's a rechargeable parang card dito sa Korea. So, yun dito. Hello, South Korea! So, we're taking a bus from the airport to Busan. It costs me 49,500 Korean won. Hindi ko alam bakit. But yeah, our bus is at 11A1 here. Like pa nating nakapunta ng US. So, but yeah, it's so lamig. Sorry. Okay, sorry. So 24, C24, 17. I'm here sa Ruita. Gosh. May seat plan sila. Sorry po. It's freezing cold. Oh gosh.
With messages always seems to make my day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like, too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love, but just a phase. Oh, if I could have you, I would float and touch the moon. Know that when I'm with you, there's nothing we can't do. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love. I don't know if this is love. I don't know if this is love, but hey.
So we are now at the Busan Central Bus Terminal. Hanap muna tayo ng makakainan, CR, and then let's find how do we get to our lodging, ang ating accommodation. So yan. This is how it looks. So far, we are surviving. Hanap tayo ng toilet. Oh, may kainan. So, 1,000. What is this? Tteokbokki? Later. Toilet muna tayo. What's for lunch? Mag-lunch ng ganyan. This is Paris Baguette. Naalala ko ito the first time kong pumunta ng Korea. Actually, sa kabila, marami din. Oh. May information system. May information doon. So, pupunta tayo doon. Later. Oh, Gongcha! Gongcha! Wala na. Tsaka the metro. Metro. Oh, may metro station din. So, kaon na lang kita. Anywhere. Anywhere! Ito ang kanilang menu. So, I decided to eat here. I ordered kimbap, tuna kimbap. They also serve this with, I think this is radish and soup. Let's eat.